Another adventure takes on when I went to the capital province of Lanao del Norte, ang TUBOD. It was a long 4-hour drive from Cagayan de Oro City. May na lang I'm with my driver lover.
Ayaw ko na bibitin, kaya mabuti pang ako'y uuwi na lang.
Anyway, we finally arrived to our destination.
It's now 7:59 and we are heading to my cousin's place.
Dami daw ang shrimp dire.
So, expect me na shrimp. Pero depende na lang. Ito our kitchen and grills. It's here. We found it! Park muna kami. Guys, this is my cousin finally. And of course, kung asa naliwate lolit. Tita. Uy, kadako mo din si mong resto. Ladies and gentlemen. We honor herself. Okay, so magchika sa may break time muna. May siya sa'yo gina.
Kinapos kang pansit ibulit.
May lang gini mo ang abaday kay dili camera shy. Musturya gyud no kumatabang sa camera diba? Ayan na ang special sa Detour. Oh, Detour. Of course, ilahang pansit gisado ni Lolit. Guys, solo pa lang niya siya ha. Pero mura nagpangkuan, good for 6. Especially sa mga nga, we're not that really nga sumukaon. So excited na kung may tinawang. So nag-order may pansit gisado, buttered shrimp, and their grilled chicken with rice and with drinks. Yeah. Very perfect sa long travel. Nagpagutom ba agad misay? So tanan na itong mahurot bagay ng pansit gisado. Well, overall, sulit kayo ang mga prizes sa mga food because it's more than what you get and what you pay. So, congratulations ka Tita Lolit. I hope matilawan niyo sa itong mga Cagayanan friends here. 120 pesos.
Pansit and TUBOD.
Yeah, super. So much. And the place is so fine and cozy. And bagay na for families, for mag-date. Kaya luag siyang place, actually. Pwede mag-cheer dance dire sa kaluag.
With all the delicious food and convenient place to stay, talaga namang we can gladly call it a day. Oh yeah, by the way, naaday tuon ko sa TUBOD because I have #host duties. It was the Lanao del Norte Unity Run. Super bibo and wow, super daghang runners. 21K, 10K, 5K, and 3K. So later on, balikan na po natin na for another program for awarding and all that stuff. Well, anyway, this is the area here sa MCC complex.
Your touch keeps them hurting.
Our day continues. As a big pizza fan, I am super happy that TUBOD has a sikat na sikat pizza place, and syempre, I'm super hyped to try it out.
Mutit ka ay siya. Pizzahan, digid siya mo siya humba. Gan tao, guys. Sa inyo ha, best seller pizza. Asan? Wala sa menu. Wala sa menu. Napila, how much? Buffalo wings. Tapos overload. Ito yun yung best seller pizza. Buffalo wings. Okay. Thank you. Mga pila ka minutes. 45 minutes na. 45 minutes? So we have decided nga balikan na lang naman mong i-order na pizza because it will take 45 minutes for it to be served, and gutom na kaayo me because wow, dagan jud kaayo tao, and mas na-curious na noon kung ano yung anag jud kadugay. Tungod sa kadugay sa serving, I'm curious kung sa magyad. Ano magyad na siya na daghan daw jud kaayo nagpa-booking pa lang daan for orders, and there are on-set orders na nga willing to wait jud sila.
So, we head out to spoil our sweet tooth.
Alright, guys. So we are trying their best seller mango parfait. Tama ba? And i-partner naman sila sour cream fries, fish flavor.
I don't wanna be dry. Just make me laugh, turn me around.
So let's try.
Hindi ako kasi lalo.
Hold me back. I don't wanna be dry. Just make me laugh, turn me around. I don't wanna make a sound.
It's topped with whipped cream and caramel syrup. Hindi ko sure kung syrup pa. With fresh mangoes and ice cream. Ano? For sure, mga mango addicts. Lamian ganan.
Ang syrup? Syrup naman. By the way, wala pa debut lunch ato do because na-expect me nga mag-pizza for lunch, but since ang tagal po, so naitabo nga mas nauna ang dessert.
So that was our experience of Ice Cream Valley. Yeah, so far, lami siya, no?
Yes.
It meets the expectation ng bestseller tong mango.
Sounds lagi pagbasa lagi.
Mango
Parfait.
parfait or parfait. Basta mango siya nga na, yung mga ice cream, ano. So, inana siya kadili ka sweet that wala kami nag-need of water. That's a hint, guys. If you're here in TUBOD, Better try it, guys. It's along the highway. It's so easy to locate.
We are back again to Detour to meet my guwapong mistizo Uncle Engineer, Uncle Bonjing.
Okay lang. Turn pa daw ka kauli.
Karoon pa yun. Oh.
Pag-hi sa video. Ayun na, hi everyone.
Hi everyone, come to our editor.
So another food trip na naman. Thank you, Uncle Bunjing, sa chicken. Oh, syempre, we can't get away from here without our Lanao takeout. Alalolit, atilolit. So yes. Naagi mo ipatilaw sa mga taga-Cagayan. Busog na pud kaayo ko.
Bisan pa man nga busog na kaayo ko. Gibalikan gyapon na mo ang pizza kay gusto kit kaayo ko mutilaw, and besides nagulat naman sad me and nabayaran na sad siya. So
We've really waited for this. So naana siya.
oh my God! Alright, it was a pretty good food trip. Lahat naman masarap, and I guess the most important naman is that you enjoy and you get to taste a few of the best dishes
It's
that the
complicated
food
when you
could offer.
gravitate towards yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like
On
and
the other hand, it's
subscribe.
hard to talk to anyone else.
Till the
You
next video!
can't help where your mind goes. So let's harvest on the moon with the ultimate.